Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's Tableau video I am going to share how to create a radio bar chart, and if you are able to see my screen you can see I have created a attractive radial bar chart over here. So if you want to know how to create a radio bar chart and how to integrate that with the real data to make your visualization to the next level, watch this video till the end so that you will get very good understanding. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'll simply create another data source called sample superstore data source over here, and I will integrate the similar kind of radar bar chart to the sample superstore data set. Okay, so let's get started. For this I'll create a new workbook over here. So over here I'll connect to the sample superstore data. Okay, and I want to create a radio bar chart like this. So I will pick up a dimension over here, like on which dimension I have to integrate it. So in this video we are going to integrate our radial bar chart to the region of the sample superstore data, and we are going to use the dimension in the region and the measure cells from the sample superstore data right over here. So let's start. Like, I have the region in my data set. I have already copied it through my worksheet over here. Here I have the region and the path with me. Okay, so first I will create the bean. The bean is already created with the size 1 here. Now I will create the x-axis and y-axis, and for that I need index, and I think the index is already with us. So with x-axis it is going to be sine radians of index like this, and for y-axis it is going to be cos radians of index, right? Hit on apply. Now we have x and y. Let's drag the path to the detail over here, and x to the column and y to the rows. And now we are going to do the compute using path bin for x and y. There seems to be some issue. Let me recreate it. I think I will have to recreate the bin. Let's create a bin from the path, and it is like this, of size 1. Okay, now we will drag the path bin on the detail, and now x is going to be on the column and y is going to be on the row. Now compute using the path bin, and now compute using the path bin for the y as well. Compute using path bin. So our circle with the 270 degree is ready, right? Now we have to integrate the region over here, so we will drag region into the color. So here we get the region. Okay, now we have to create a calculated field stating tc max cells, and here we are going to use windows max function, windows max sum of cells, right? So it is going to be like this, windows max sum of cells. Okay, hit on apply and okay. Now we are going to create another calculated field, tc max cells for all region, and the formula, underline formula, is going to be same for this also. but we are going to use this tuple in two different calculations. Okay, now we are going to create a rank function, tc rank, and we are going to use the unique rank over the tc max cells for all region. Okay, so it is going to be here thus, and it is going to be ascending order like this. Hit on apply. Okay, so tc rank is here. Now we have to adjust the area of circle, like the radius of the circle, based on our cells ranking. Okay, so for that we are simply going to multiply our x and y axis with the tc rank. I'll hit on apply. Okay, and for y axis I'm going to run tc rank, hit on apply. Okay, now if you see here, we will go to edit calculated field, and here we have the tc rank with us. For x we will select both like this, and for y also we are going to select tc rank in specific dimension, path and region. So our radial bar chart is almost ready. Okay, now this is how we are calculating the region cells across, cells across all regions. And here if you see, south having the lowest cells, whereas the west having the highest cells. Let's quickly cross validate it. So let's go here, and the region is here and the cells is here. Let's create a table. So west having the highest cell, where the central in the south having the lowest cells, right? So our data is showing the same information over here. Now we have to adjust our index path, like this length, as per the total percent of cells across all. So that's why we calculated this. Now we are going to do the create calculated field and say tc percent of cells, and it is going to be maximum cells for all region divided by max region. Okay, so total max cell, total cells for all region divided by total cells, max cells. We hit on apply. Okay, now we are going to integrate that into the x and y. So we'll go and edit x, and in index we will do multiply by tc percent cells like this. I will hit on apply. Okay, and similarly for y, edit in index, multiply by tc percent cells and apply, and okay. All right, so we come here and we will go in edit calculated field, and see we have the max cells option over here. You go to specific region, path and cells are in the region. All right, so if you could see here, the length has been adjusted as per the total cells amount over here. Okay, so yeah, this is what we wanted to achieve, and let me try. No need to this. So it is for max cells. Okay, so yeah, we are almost close. Now we will change the circle marks to the line and drag this path bin to the path, so that we will get a very good data visualization over here like this. Okay, and in addition to this, what we can do, we can drag the region into the text and we can edit it in lines. And yeah, you can see here we got text fields like this, and we will make it bold and 15 size. Hit on apply. Okay, like this. And plus what we can do, we can do some alignment like this. And yes, now we will drag percent cells to the label, and quickly we can do some formatting over here. So this is showing as per the overall data, so I think it will mislead the information. So yeah, that's fine. All right, so we can drag and drop this sales figure in the label like this, so that way it will look more interesting, right? You can add percentage or total percent also, that I will leave up to you. So this is how we create the radial bar chart, and we can integrate with our real data and experiment around it. Okay, so hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button and share your thoughts into the comment section. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.